Uniswap value equivalent to $4.2830 a coin. The present reach, $4.1820, $4.2940. The earlier day close, $4.1950. The change was plus 0.0880. Plus 2.10%. Opposite rates, United States dollars to UNA. Uniswap value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Uniswap cost forecast for September 2023. To start with, cost at $4.37. Greatest cost $4.58. Least cost $3.65. The normal for the month $4.16. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.03. Change for September 7.8%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. First and foremost, cost at $4.03. Greatest cost $4.14. Least cost $3.33. The normal for the month $3.84. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $3.87. Change for October 4.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for November 2023. Initially cost at $3.87. Most extreme cost $3.87. Least cost $3.02. The normal for the month $3.50. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.25. Change for November 16.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. In the first place, cost at $3.25. Greatest cost $4.03. Least cost $3.25. The normal for the month $3.58. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $3.77. Change for December 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for January 2024. First and foremost, cost at $3.77. Greatest cost $4.24. Least cost $3.68. The normal for the month $3.91. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $3.96. Change for January 5.0%. UNI to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. To start with, cost at $3.96. Greatest cost $3.96. Least cost $3.39. The normal for the month $3.74. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $3.65. Change for February 7.8%. Uniswap cost expectation for WAC 2024. Initially cost at $3.65. Most extreme cost $3.65. Least cost $3.05. The normal for the month $3.41. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $3.28. Change for spring 10.1%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. Before all else, cost at $3.28. Most extreme cost $3.28. Least cost $2.85. The normal for the month $3.12. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $3.06. Change for April 6.7%. Uniswap cost expectation for May 2024. To start with, cost at $3.06. Greatest cost $3.24. Least cost $2.82. The normal for the month $3.04. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.03. Change for May 1.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. Before all else, cost at $3.03. Most extreme cost $3.76. Least cost $3.03. The normal for the month $3.33. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.51. Change for June 15.8%. Uniswap cost expectation for July 2024. At the outset, cost at $3.51. Most extreme cost $3.51. Least cost $2.87. The normal for the month $3.25. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $3.09. Change for July 12.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. To start with, cost at $3.09. Greatest cost $3.09. Least cost $2.42. The normal for the month $2.80. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $2.60. Change for August 15.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for September 2024. In the first place, cost at $2.60. Greatest cost $3. Least cost $2.60. The normal for the month $2.75. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $2.80. Change for September 7.7%. Uniswap cost expectation for November 2025. First and foremost cost at $0.96. Greatest cost $1.19. Least cost 96 cents. The normal for the month $1.06. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.11. Change for November 15.6%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. At the outset cost at $1.11. Most extreme cost $1.34. Least cost $1.11. The normal for the month $1.20. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.25. Change for December 12.6%. Uniswap cost expectation for January 2026. Initially cost at $1.25. Most extreme cost $1.25. Least cost 98 cents. The normal for the month $1.13. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.05. Change for January 16.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. To start with cost at $1.05. Greatest cost $1.05. Least cost 82 cents. The normal for the month 95 cents. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end 88 cents. Change for February 16.2%. Uniswap cost expectation for WAC 2026. At the outset cost at $0.88. Most extreme cost $1.09. Least cost 88 cents. The normal for the month 97 cents. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.02. Change for spring 15.9%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. Before all else cost at $1.02. Most extreme cost $1.26. Least cost $1.02. The normal for the month $1.12. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.18. Change for April 15.7%. Uniswap cost expectation for May 2026. Initially cost at $1.18. Most extreme cost $1.47. Least cost $1.18. The normal for the month $1.30. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.37. Change for May 16.1%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. In the first place cost at $1.37. Greatest cost $1.70. Least cost $1.37. The normal for the month $1.51. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.59. Change for June 16.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for July 2026. Initially cost at $1.59. Most extreme cost $1.63. Least cost $1.41. The normal for the month $1.54. Uniswap cost conjecture toward